Ever wondered how to streamline your expense management? Or maybe you're tired of the hassle of manual expense reports. Well, today, we're diving into a tool that's revolutionizing the way businesses handle expenses, the Expensify card. What is the Expensify card? Imagine a credit card that automatically categorizes your expenses, captures receipts, and submits expense reports. No more manual data entry, no more lost receipts, and no more delayed reimbursements. That's the power of the Expensify card. How does it work? Card activation. Once you receive your Expensify card, activate it through the Expensify app. Link your preferred payment method to the card. Making purchases. Use the card for business expenses like travel, meals, and office supplies. The card automatically captures transaction details and receipts. Expense categorization. Expensify's AI technology intelligently categorizes your expenses based on merchant type and location. You can manually adjust categories if needed. Receipt capture. Receipts are captured automatically either through digital copies or by taking a photo with your phone. Expensify's OCR technology extracts key information from paper receipts. Expense report generation. Expensify automatically generates expense reports based on your card transactions and receipts. You can review and approve reports before submitting them for reimbursement. Key benefits of the Expensify card. Automation, streamline expense management with automated processes. Accuracy, reduce errors and inconsistencies with automated data entry. Efficiency, save time and effort with simplified expense reporting. Visibility, gain real-time insights into your spending habits. Compliance, ensure compliance with company expense policies. Additional features. Mobile app, manage your expenses on the go with the Expensify mobile app. Integrations, connect Expensify with other business tools like accounting software. Customizable workflows, tailor the expense approval process to your specific needs. The Expensify card is a powerful tool that can significantly improve your expense management process. By automating tedious tasks and providing valuable insights, it empowers businesses to make smarter financial decisions. So, if you're looking to simplify your expense management and boost your productivity, consider giving the Expensify card a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.